What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So you got the shiny new iPhone 11 Pro Max and you need some protection. iBlossom have sent me out the case lineup for the iPhone. So we're gonna open it up and see what it's all about. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Cases for your shiny new iPhone. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So iBlossom have sent me out their whole case lineup for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let's go ahead and open it up, all these packages, and see what it's all about. But I'm not going to open up all individual packages. The power of editing. Let's go on and open all these boxes. Let's go. All right, guys, so here it is. And I'm gonna tell you guys one thing before I continue this video. I did not see none of these cases before I got them. Like, I never saw these cases before. So opening up these cases, I am blown away on some of the designs that I'm seeing right here. God, this is gorgeous. I mean, this is absolutely amazing. Now, I've done a lot of case reviews, a lot of case videos on this YouTube channel, and I never saw cases that look so different, so nice. These cases is nice. Let's get into it. All right. So, and actually this case is pretty special too, because it comes with the top shield and the back protection, and it comes in a green color. This is going to be the Aries green right here. And I mean, dope, really dope. So if you got an iPhone Max, right, this here, and you need full protection on the front, boom, there it is, right? So this is one of the cases I want to show you. I'm gonna put the phone in a few of them so y'all guys can see it, but look at that. That is dope. All right, I'm blown away about this one. Now, if you got the green iPhone, this is gonna be the case for you. This is nice. Oh my goodness. All right, this is gonna be the Cosmos green. This is dope. Again, shield protector in the front, right? And you have a nice, I mean, look at that. This is gorgeous. Ooh, this is sweet. Dog. All right, cool. Let me go up there and finish the video. I'm gonna be rocking one of these for sure. All right, so let's check this out. This is nice. Man, but look at this. Like, blue, my favorite color, y'all. And this one here is really dope. This one is dope. Look at this one. Again, screen protector in the front. And this is nice. Let me take this off. All right. Yep, screen protector in the front and nice little hard shell case in the back. And you have a gold ring around here. Now look at that. That's gorgeous. All right. And we have a regular clear case here. Regular clear case. This does not have a screen protector on it. This is the Halo Black, right? And this one do not have a screen protector on it. Just going to take the plastic off. That's nice. All right, and then we have a clear one. Does not have a screen protector on. Hard shell case. And look at this. This is nice. Woo! This is another Cosmo. This is gonna be look like a purplish color here. Now this is dope. Look at that. Now it has a gold ring around, and it does have a screen protector in the front. Ooh, this is sweet. Look at that. Hard shell case. And we have another one here. Now this one is pretty too for the ladies. This one looks dope for the ladies. Look at that. Screen protector in the front, right? And we got like gold accents on the side. Look at that one. Woo! Ladies, you're gonna love this one. Gold ring. Boom, Cosmos. All right, and then we have another black case here. Again, screen protector in the front. And we have, you know, nice little bold look in the back to show off the beauty of the device. All right, so this is the iBlossom case lineup here. Oh man, like I say, This is my first time seeing the cases as I opened them in this video. So I am blown away on how the styles and how they look. Let me go ahead and put some devices on these cases so I can show you guys how they look. All right, guys, so I put the two cases on, the two dummy units that I have, which is really pretty, right? And here is the blue one. I mean, this one here is dope. I like this color. I mean, it blends in very well. You got the screen protector here, all right? Got the screen protector here, and you got your buttons on the side. You have your mute button exposed at the bottom here. You do have your cutouts for your charging port and your speakers. And here you do have your buttons here for your volume up and down, and boom, there it is. So this one here is going to give you maximum protection. Now, these cases right here comes in two parts. Let me show you guys real quick on how to install the iPhone in these cases. It's just like an out of box. It comes in two parts, and you just take the bottom part off, and you have the device exposed. Let's go and take the phone out here. All right, so we got the phone out here, and ooh, look at this one. This one is beautiful. All right, again, you want to take the top part off right here. All right, and I always like to put the phone on the top part first, just like this, and you take the bottom part and you put it on, and you just kind of wedge it in. Boom, there it is. Now look at this. Oh. All right, so this one here, if you got the green iPhone, this was dope. This one right here, even if you got the gold one, this is beautiful. Now let's look at the other cases here. Oh, now again, this is my first time seeing these cases, and they're very unique, and they are absolutely gorgeous. And let's look at that one on the side, top, right here. All right. So here is the cases there, and let me go and pop it in these cases so we can see how they look. All right, so I'll put the iPhone in these nice little tough cases here. Again, we got the screen protector in the front, and we got a nice, beautiful cutout here that, yes, you can see the beauty of the booty in the back. Now, look at that. Now, that's beautiful. Now, if you needed a clear case but want full protection, this is the one right here. You do have some edges here, so if you drop your phone, boom, it's going to be all right. So yes, and this one here is a nice tough case, yeah, I believe that this one here, if you need full protection for drops, this one here is going to be a full protection, because again, you have a lip here with a screen protector, so you don't have no problem with drop protection right there. And again, you got all your normal cutouts, your buttons feel real good here, no problem with that. And on this one, they got the mute button kind of enclosed, so you do have to take the flap off to do your mute switch. Nice. All right, and again, look at this one. This is the green color. Now again, if you have the green iPhone, this one here is going to complement each other. Yes, again, you have your drop protection at the top, full corners, so no problem there. Boom. Yes. And I got two more cases here, and these are the clear cases. Now these don't have the top here, so these are hard shell cases. I'm gonna drop both of the phones here, and I'll give you my thoughts on what I'm thinking about these phones. Again, full drop protection, so no problem there. So you don't have a problem if you drop this. There it is. All right. All right, so here it is. Got like the smoke color here. All right, and it has nice little good grip on here. All right, and again, it gives you some good protection. It has a nice lip on it right here. Little raised, not too much, but I got a glass screen protector on my iPhone, so I'm okay right there. And again, you get some good protection on here, so you don't have no problems with that. You have pretty good protection from drops. I mean, it has nice little thick rubber there, so you'll be all right if you drop this phone. but I would recommend a glass screen protector in the front, because with this case right here, it's minimalistic, it's nice and thin. It does have a little lip on there, but if you drop this phone face first, you probably crack the screen. But as far as the side, the corners, and the back, you'll be all right. All right. So let's go on and take a look again at these cases. I'm gonna tell you right now, the green one right here is my favorite. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. But I tell you, my favorite color is blue, but I'm digging the green one. That's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Now, if you want to go full protection right here, these are the ones that get full protection, no problems right here. There it is. I will leave all product links down in the description below. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. I want to give a huge thanks to iBlossom for sending me out the case lineup. Woo, that's what I'm talking about. Y'all believe all the links down in the description so you can pick this up. See you guys on the next video. Peace.